Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I want to bring you a product I just picked up that I think will come in pretty handy, especially if you drive in dusty conditions, off-road a lot. It's something you probably never even thought of, but I think down the road it will really help you avoid some major engine problems. So let me go ahead and share what I just got. So as you all know, most cars nowadays, they're going away from the fuel filler with a cap. They're all going the capless fuel filler. Now it's more convenient, of course. You don't have a cap to worry about. You just put the nozzle in, give yourself gas. It's really easy. But one thing I want to share with you, and like I said, if you go off-road a lot, you'd be surprised, is how much dirt gets in here. You know, there's no seal around the gas door, and the flap there's no seal on. So dirt can easily go through there. You know, and that goes right to your tank. And mine, I drive mainly on the road, so this isn't that bad. But I've seen cars that is just full of dirt, just caked in there. And that can easily make its way into that little flap down in your fuel system. And they're so sensitive, these cars, a lot of that stuff can clog the fuel filter. And then you're gonna have more issues down the road with hesitation, all that kind of stuff. Then they want to do a fuel treatment, the dealer. So this little thing right here, very basic. It's a cap that goes over that. Fits perfectly snug, goes over there, will stop the dirt from entering. Now you're thinking, well, why would you do that if you drive on the road? If you take your car off-road a lot, so say you have a Jeep and you go off-road a lot, you get tons of dust, pop that on before you go off-roading. Now you don't have to worry about dirt getting trapped in there. You know, mine not so much. You can see some dirt still in there, but like I said, I drive mainly on roads. But they make these to fit almost any car. I'll put a link in the description. So like if you have a truck, Silverado, you go off-road in it, and you have a capless fuel filler, dirt will easily make its way in there. And it doesn't take much to clog your fuel system up. So putting something like this on, just slipping it over, and then when you go off-road, it'll do its job. Like I said, you might not want to use it all the time. Doesn't really make a difference. If you don't want to have to worry about taking it off when you fill up, because then it's like you have a cap on it again. But if you go off-road or you live in a real dusty area, I would definitely put something like that on to block it. Because I've heard of a lot of people having fuel system problems. And when you look at the design, there's no seal or nothing on it. So any kind of dirt can easily get in there and it goes right down. Then you pump gas and it puts it right in the tank. And then you can clog your fuel injectors up. And like I said, these cars nowadays are so precise. Any little piece of dirt that gets sucked in there, it can easily clog it. So like I said, if you live in a real dusty area or you take your car or truck, SUV off-road a lot, definitely pick one of these up. They're like $10. Again, the link's in the description. They have them for so many different makes and models. I won't list them all, but go check them out. Like I said, it'd be great for truck owners, SUV owners that actually go off-road a lot, because it'll just suck the dirt right in. And it's a problem that you don't want to have later on down the road. Again, so go check it out. Tell me what you guys think. I appreciate your support. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.